I work with her, I find that this place feels very peace for me. And I keep listening to her day after day, day after day, until one day I tell myself I have to do something with my smell. I couldn't smell for many, many years. I've been seeing doctor twice a year, many years. The doctor give me the kind of wash, spray, and the kind of things that are not. He gave me the medication, but I put aside. I believe because I medical background, I'm medical background. So I use the hat. I start with the hat. I use for 3 months. Beginning when I use the sweat is so sweat and my urine is so smelly. What is this? I ask myself what is this, but I hear differently, you know. I continue to use. I have faith with the product. I continue to use, and after that, my smell come back, my taste come back. From the head, I start with the sleeping system, and I start to have everything I own, like an initial product in my house now. Yeah, I not only own for myself, I own for my children, my loved ones. I buy and give it to them.
Yeah,
Very good. Yeah.